What's up everyone? Today I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of Japan's 10 most incredible, can't-miss places. From futuristic cities to ancient temples, I spent a month traveling from the snowy north to the tropical south to bring you the ultimate Japan guide. We'll navigate the world's busiest intersection, feed sacred deer, climb iconic mountains, and relax in volcanic hot springs. This video is packed with action so you can feel like you're right here with me. By the end, pick your favorite spot. Trust me, it won't be easy. If you're ready for the adventure of a lifetime, buckle up. Our journey across the land of the rising sun starts now. Prepare for sensory overload. First stop, Tokyo. This mega city is pure energy, a vibrant pulse that never sleeps. It's a place where the future feels like the present. Here, ancient traditions meet mind-blowing technology, creating a unique blend you won't find anywhere else. It's a fascinating juxtaposition of old and new. The skyline is straight out of a sci-fi movie, a dazzling display of architectural innovation. With skyscrapers piercing the clouds, it feels like you're standing at the edge of tomorrow. These towering structures are a testament to human ingenuity. We'll head to the top of one of these giants for a view that stretches to the horizon, offering a breathtaking panorama of this incredible city. Next we're off to Shibuya Crossing, where thousands cross in perfect harmony, a mesmerizing dance of humanity. It's chaotic yet beautiful, a symbol of Tokyo's organized chaos. Tokyo's neighborhoods each have their own unique vibe, each offering a distinct experience. From the quirky and colorful streets of Harajuku, to the glamorous and upscale avenues of Ginza, and the electric and vibrant Akihabara, there's something for everyone. You can go from a tranquil temple, finding inner peace amidst the urban sprawl, to a robot cafe in minutes, experiencing the cutting edge of technology. The contrast is what makes Tokyo unforgettable, a city of endless surprises. We'll dive deep into the food, culture, and cutting-edge tech that make this city legendary, exploring its many facets. Forget what you know about cities. This isn't your typical urban landscape. Tokyo rewrites the rules, constantly pushing the boundaries of what a city can be. This is just the beginning of our adventure, and it's already epic. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. Ready to get lost in the neon glow and discover the magic of Tokyo? Let's go, the future awaits. Sure. Next, we slow down in Kyoto, a city where time seems to stand still, allowing us to fully absorb its rich cultural tapestry. Japan's ancient capital and the soul of tradition, Kyoto offers a unique glimpse into the heart of Japanese heritage, a place where history whispers from every corner. Here, it's all about serene temples, each one a sanctuary of calm and reflection, inviting contemplation. Manicured gardens, meticulously crafted to inspire tranquility and harmony with nature, and a sense of timelessness. It's a feeling that permeates the air, connecting you to centuries of history and tradition. We'll visit Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, a breathtaking sight to behold, shimmering on its pond, its golden reflection creating a mesmerizing spectacle, and walk through the endless red torii gates, a vibrant pathway winding through the hills, at Fushimi Inari Shrine. Each gate is a donation, a prayer, a step deeper into the spiritual heart of Japan. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is otherworldly, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. Sunlight filters through towering stalks, creating an ethereal glow that dances on the forest floor. And the only sound is the wind, a gentle whisper that rustles the leaves, creating a symphony of nature. In Gion, catch a glimpse of geishas, the epitome of grace and artistry, in elegant kimonos along cobblestone streets. Their presence adds a touch of magic to this historic district. Kyoto is about finding beauty in simplicity, appreciating the understated elegance that permeates every aspect of life. From Zen gardens, carefully raked to represent the essence of nature, to tea ceremonies, a ritual of mindfulness and connection, a moment of shared tranquility. It's a living museum where the past is not just remembered, but actively lived and celebrated, a masterpiece of culture and history, a testament to the enduring power of tradition and artistry. We'll immerse ourselves in centuries-old traditions, experiencing the rituals and customs that have shaped Japanese identity. This city commands quiet appreciation. It asks you to slow down, to observe, to feel the essence of its being. Ready to find your inner peace, to connect with the ancient wisdom that resides within these walls? Let's explore Kyoto. Let's discover the magic that awaits us in this timeless city. Time to turn up the energy in Osaka, Japan's kitchen and nightlife capital. Dotonbori is a street food paradise glowing with neon and alive with sizzling takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and kushikatsu. We'll eat our way through the stalls watching chefs flip octopus balls and grill savory pancakes. Osaka's people are friendly, outgoing, and love to share their food culture. Beyond food, we'll visit the impressive Osaka Castle, a symbol of the city's rich history. The view from the top is stunning, surrounded by modern hustle. Osaka is bold, vibrant, and unapologetically fun. We'll eat until we drop and soak up the city's wild personality. Ready for the Kyoto challenge? Let's dig in! Now we head to Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest peak and sacred icon. At Lake Kawaguchi, catch postcard-perfect views of Fuji's reflection. For adventurers, climbing Fuji is a must. An epic hike above the clouds, aiming for sunrise at the summit. The journey starts in lush forest and ends in volcanic rock, with mountain huts along the way. The camaraderie among climbers is incredible. It's tough, but the sunrise view is unforgettable. Whether you admire Fuji from below or conquer the summit, it's a place of power and beauty. It's a pilgrimage, a challenge, and a spiritual experience. Fuji connects you to Japan's natural spirit. This is more than a mountain, it's an adventure. Ready to take it on? Next up, Nara, a city where over 1,000 wild deer roam free and bow for treats. In Nara Park, buy special crackers and become the deer's best friend. They'll even bow for a snack. It's adorable, hilarious, and totally unique. But Nara is also home to Tadaiji, one of the world's largest wooden buildings housing a giant bronze Buddha. Standing before the great Buddha is humbling. Nara blends sacred history with unforgettable wildlife encounters. Spend the morning with deer, the afternoon in awe of ancient temples. It's gentle, ancient, and a little wild. An easy day trip from Kyoto or Osaka and a must-see. Who wouldn't want 1,000 deer friends? Let's go! We're heading north to Hokkaido, Japan's wild frontier, and a paradise for nature lovers. In winter, Sapporo's Snow Festival features massive, intricate ice sculptures. Hit the slopes in Niseko for legendary powder snow, then relax in a steaming outdoor onsen as snow falls around you. Hokkaido's hot springs are the ultimate way to unwind. In summer, Furano's rolling hills burst with vibrant lavender and flowers. The landscapes are breathtaking year-round. Hokkaido feels wilder and more open than anywhere else in Japan. It's perfect for adventure skiing, hiking, or exploring national parks. The island offers a completely different side of Japan, defined by epic nature. From snow to flowers, Hokkaido is unforgettable. Ready for the Great White North? Let's explore. Now we visit Hiroshima, a city etched in history, a place where the past and present intertwine in profound ways. A city that rose from devastation, from the ashes of unimaginable destruction, to become a global symbol of peace and reconciliation. It stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. The Peace Memorial Park is a tranquil space, a serene oasis amidst the bustling city, honoring atomic bomb victims, a place of remembrance and reflection for those who perished. Each monument tells a story, each stone whispers a name. The A-bomb dome stands as a powerful reminder of history, a skeletal frame against the sky, a haunting symbol of what was lost, and a stark warning for the future. The Peace Memorial Museum is deeply moving, a place where you can confront the realities of nuclear war, sharing personal stories and advocating for a world without nuclear weapons. It's a call to action, urging us to learn from the past and build a more peaceful future for all. Hiroshima's story is one of resilience and hope, a testament to the human capacity to rebuild and heal even after the most devastating of events. Today, it's a vibrant, rebuilt city, a modern metropolis that has embraced the future while never forgetting its past. That chose peace over hatred, a beacon of hope in a world often plagued by conflict. The eternal flame serves as a constant reminder of this commitment. Just a ferry ride away is Miyajima Island, a short trip across the sea to a place of stunning natural beauty, famous for its floating torii gate, a majestic red structure that seems to float on the water, one of Japan's most iconic views, a breathtaking sight that has captivated visitors for centuries. Visiting Hiroshima and Miyajima is a journey through, a powerful and moving experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Tragedy and beauty, a stark contrast that highlights the fragility of life and the enduring power of hope, darkness and hope. A reminder that even in the darkest of times, the light of hope can still shine through. It's a place everyone should experience, a destination that offers profound lessons about history, peace, and the human spirit, to reflect and learn, to contemplate the past and consider the future, to understand the importance of peace and reconciliation. Hiroshima is vital to understanding Japan, its history, its culture, and its unwavering commitment to peace. And the world, a place that offers valuable lessons for all of humanity. It's a journey that will change your perspective and leave you with a renewed sense of hope for a better future. Time for a tropical escape. Welcome to Okinawa. These islands are Japan's subtropical playground, with turquoise waters, white beaches, and a unique Ryukyu culture. Explore Shuri Castle for a taste of Okinawa's distinct history. But the real draw is the ocean. Snorkel or dive among coral reefs teeming with marine life. Swim with sea turtles, manta rays, and maybe even whale sharks. The vibe here is laid back. Locals live by non-kurunaiza, meaning everything will work out. Try Okinawan cuisine, famous for contributing to the islanders' longevity. Okinawa is Japan's ultimate place to relax, connect with nature, and discover a different side of the country. If you want sun, sand, and sea, this is the spot. Let's find our own paradise. Back on Honshu, we visit Nikko, a mountain town famed for its lavish shrines and stunning nature. Toshogu Shrine dazzles with vibrant colors, gold leaf, and intricate carvings, including the original 3 wise monkeys. Walk under giant cedars and explore the ornate shrine complex. Nikko's beauty extends to its national park, mountains, lakes, waterfalls, and hot springs. Kegon Falls plunges nearly 100 meters, and Lake Chuzenji offers serene mountain views. In autumn, Nikko erupts in fiery red and gold foliage. The combination of history and nature is magical. Nikko is considered one of Japan's best spots for fall colors. Whether for shrines or scenery, Nikko will leave you in awe. Our final stop, Hakone, the ultimate hot spring getaway with epic views of Mount Fuji. Check into a traditional ryokan, soak in onsen baths, and unwind in volcanic waters. Explore the Hakone Loop. Ride a mountain railway, cable car, ropeway, and even a pirate ship across Lake Ashi. On clear days, see Mount Fuji framed by lake and mountains. The Hakone ropeway glides over Owakudani's steaming volcanic valley. Try a black egg for good luck. Hakone is the perfect summary of Japan natural beauty, iconic views, unique culture, and adventure. It's the ideal place to reflect on this epic journey. From neon Tokyo to peaceful mountains, Japan's diversity is unforgettable. Let's soak it all in. That's a wrap on our 10-stop Japan adventure. From Tokyo's chaos to Kyoto's calm, Osaka's food, Fuji's majesty, Nara's deer, Hokkaido's wilds, Hiroshima's hope, Okinawa's beaches, Nikko's shrines, and Hakone's hot springs, we saw it all. Every place was unique, and we've only scratched the surface. Which spot would you visit first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and share with your travel buddy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Sayonara!